Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm out going in this nasty gloomy weather where we are, I guess you can say, getting all the rain from Hurricane Ian. And so I'm heading over to Krispy Kreme as I want to try their fall dozen donuts. This is the type of gloomy, nasty day that we have to deal with. So this has been going on since Friday. Basically, it should be leaving by tomorrow, but it takes me roughly like 5 minutes to get over here to Krispy Kreme, just depending on which way I go. So it looks like some of the flavors are like a salted caramel brownie one or something, and then like a pecan maple cheesecake. Then of course the pumpkin spice. Hopefully they have some. If not, then I'm just gonna be like out back getting just some regular donuts. Okay, so quick update, they only had 2 out of the 4, I guess. We'll see. All right, so I got my drink finally after clearly waiting so long to get it. The man said something about some latte. So I'm gonna give it a try, see what it's hitting on. Meanwhile, the only 2 donuts that I could get. All right, so we're at it again. I'm gonna see if I can order this drink this morning finally.
Starbucks looks like it's free today.
So they really do have the drink now. I think that they were just out of like the syrup and stuff for it the other day, but I'm gonna try it. And then I went ahead and bought my coworker a drink just to get her day going. So I can't wait to see what her thoughts are for the Winifred Sanderson sister drink. And then I'm just gonna try the whole Hocus Pocus drink. We'll see how this goes. All right, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's good. It really tastes like cinnamon and pumpkin, for sure. But I hope that this latte works today and keeps me energized. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready to head in, give my coworker her drink, and I'm going to eat on my cheese danishes and have a great day. All right, so we just got something from the Amazon, and I don't remember what I bought. So let's look. So I totally forgot what I bought, and I ended up buying the hamster some more bedding, as well as just needing to make sure that we have extras on hand at all times. I also got him some more food. And these were together only like 12 bucks together. And then I ended up getting my costume for Halloween. I'm going to be, I can't even say. And I also got a new shower curtain that I can't wait to put up. So I'm heading out to Target. Why? When I clearly feel like I have like been in there 50 million times. Who knows? But anyways, we're headed off to Target. From Target, we'll get some dinner, so we'll probably go over to Popeyes, and then from there I think I'm just gonna end the vlog going into CVS. I need a couple things. I don't know, I guess I need a couple things from Target, but then again I feel like I need a couple things from CVS. I don't know. I know for sure I need to get my son's medicine, so just join us for the ride. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. You're ready to go in CVS. So in CVS, I was looking for the M&M's Halloween flavor or Halloween edition, and I had no luck finding them in CVS. Halloween ghosts, these probably would go good in some. So of course I had to get some gas because I was sitting on E. Alright, so we finally made it to Target, or as I should say, Target. And I'm gonna get ready to put it in right here. Yeah, so we're just in here looking at some of the Halloween stuff. Alright, so I did pick up a box of these finally after I found them. Okay, so $86 later and I'm out of Target. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. So I ended up getting these Annie's gummies, some brownies, this brownie mix right here that I can't wait to make with the kids. Got some ranch dip as well as the strawberry frosted milkshake cereal, thanks to Miss Amechi. And then I also got us some cookies to decorate as well as some Halloween pretzels, a Lunchable for Sky to have for that night. And then I ended up getting Charles this energy drink, and Sky picked out a fruit punch toy. We got some donuts, and then I finally found the M&M mix like I needed to, and so I got them for Charles and Peanut as well. I got some gummy worms, and then I picked up some Milano double milk chocolate cookies, and I also got some Junior Mints. And of course for my fall collection I got the Miss Myers fall leaves, acorn spice, and apple cider. I totally forgot that I ordered some more stuff off of Amazon. So I ordered some glass protectors, a new phone case, and some watch bands, due to the simple fact that the wrist ones that are rubber have been hurting my arm. Okay, y'all, so it's been a lazy day. It's been like homework, watching TV, watching movies, watching shows. Tried these already on the phone with my mom on FaceTime, so they're really good. Glad we got them. It's almost 6:04. I put in an order for 6:30 to pick up Kung Fu tea, and then yeah, I'm gonna get ready to call my box order in Box Kitchen. You guys, if you are returning to this channel and you've seen it, Box Kitchen is like a Mediterranean styled food place where they have like steak over salad, lamb over salad, chicken over salad. I always get steak over salad and over rice. So yeah, you guys will see that. So this part right here, you can see I'm heading over to Box Kitchen, and that is gonna come up on the right in this clip right here. This is where Boxed is, and Kung Fu tea is literally on the right side after I pass through this light up here. So it looks like they have a ramen place. It looks really busy in there. Okay, so busy's not even the word, but I got everything I needed. So yeah, there's like a really cool ramen place right here. It's called yeah, whatever. But anyways, it didn't take long for me to get my food, but I'm ready to go home and enjoy it. So I'll show you guys a glimpse into my food. Oh, shut up, putting the seatbelt on. So here's my food. We got the rice, we got the extra salad, we have chicken over rice, we also have steak over rice, and then we have like the pita bread that comes with it. It's like 2 or 3 pieces. I got some drinks for us, and then the Kung Fu tea would just be for tomorrow and Monday when needing something to drink. So when I got out of the shower, I was looking for something to put on, and this is what came to mind. I totally forgot that I found this last year after Christmas, and it was on sale for about $7. So it is a long sleeve top and pants that are pajamas, and so I decided to want to put them on tonight due to the fact that it was a little too chilly outside. So I wanted to get myself ready for bed after being out and having a long week and get myself ready for Sunday. So it's finally Sunday, and I decided to go ahead and get up and get everything going. So first I'm going to make up my bed, and then of course I have some clothes that I have forgot to put away during the week, and so I'm just pulling those out of my side of the bed and attempting to get ready to put them away. I'm getting all of my trash that I had the night prior to go put into the trash, and I'm also going to put hangers on Skylar's clothes, and I'm gonna hang those up. So normally when I do laundry, I wait until all of my loads are washed and dried. That way I can just like bust them down and put them away all in one. And as you can see here, like a fool today, I decided to clean out my closet and put the summer stuff away and put my winter clothes and fall clothes out. Happy Sunday. I'm heading out. For one, I need to run to CVS and pick my son's medicine up again because they did not have it correct. I also need to go get a clear shower curtain because I had just put my new one up the other day, and yeah, it was just time for a new one. Anyways, and then from there I'm gonna grab us some food, and then I'm gonna run to Dunkin' Donuts to grab me some muffins to have for breakfast in the morning, and then just something to have this afternoon. Until I go to the grocery store, that's when I'll get basically everything I need to make my own darn streusel muffins at home. I need a prescription. Not one box, not two boxes, but 3 because of how big the muffins are. And then I have Charles's snacking bacon in here and 1 muffin. And then I ran into Rose's and got a new mat and a new rug for my bathroom since I just put up the new shower curtain. And then I have 2 of the white shower curtains. And I also went ahead and got us dinner, which is going to be Subway. I have no idea what I pulled out chicken this morning. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing with it, so who knows. But anyways, I have some other couple things I need to do this afternoon. I have to do Sky's hair. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. Almost done with my schoolwork. That everything is due this week coming up. I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my weekly vlog of what's been going on with me lately, to see what I've been up to, what I've been doing, and other things like that. If you like these type of vlogs where I'm showing you all what I do during the week, comment down below and I definitely will make more vlogs like that. Also, please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you are liking it over on JustBeingC'Aira, and I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up.